Everyone, welcome back. So first I started off with my Arbonne brightening kit and my Mario Badescu spray. Then I'm gonna go in with my ABH dip brow in dark brown and just brush out my brows and just fill in the sparse areas since my brows are naturally very thick. I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown concealer using my Sephora Pro Conceal Brush to clean and outline my brows to give that sharp, clean look. I'm gonna blend that down to use that as the base for my graphic liners. Going with my Damp Beauty blender by Real Techniques to blend that out to make sure it looks smooth and flawless. I'm gonna set my lids with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in Blondie. I'm gonna go in with my yellow NYX liquid eyeliner. Then I'm gonna go in with my red Suva liquid eyeliner to continue that crease. And I'll be very precise and take your time. Now I'm gonna go in with my blue Suva liner to continue the graphic liner. Then I'm gonna finish that off with the white liner. Complete the wing, I'm gonna go in with my NYX pink eyeliner. I'm gonna do the other eye, but the colors using the opposite directions. Now I'm gonna go in with my Milk Crush mascara to have the perfect base for my falsies. I'm gonna go in with my Tatcha primer. This is my favorite primer, guys. It's a must-have. Going with my Bees Angel Living lashes in short, guys. Order from me, DM me. I got all sizes and lengths. I'm going with my NARS Radiant Concealer, and guys, keep in mind this look is a no foundation look. I've been living for that, y'all. After blending out my concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the shade Blondie to bake my face. Going with my Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer to add some warmth to my face. That same fluffy brush, I'm gonna brush off the excess powder and make sure my face looks flawless and seamless. I'm going to go in with my telescopic mascara for my baby lashes to make sure they look popping. With my Shiseido blush in Shikioto to add the perfect amount of pinky blush to my face. I'm going to go in with my Fave Drugstore liquid brown liner to do the cutest faux freckles. Now I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown highlighter to add the perfect amount of glow to my face. This is in the shade Moon Glow. I'm going with my Marc Jacobs red liner and my Fenty Diamond Milk lip gloss. This helps me achieve the perfect juicy red lip. Now I'm going to finish off with my ABH setting spray. Going with the Bees Single Shadow in Mama to add the perfect neon green in the inner tear duct. Guys, DM me for this. And look at this beautiful, beautiful look. Thank you guys for watching. Much love.